workout crew, and how y'all doing? We're back here with another game, except it's not doing this time. It's Pubg. Workout Isaac, back in business, baby. I was gonna choke you. Come on, man. They don't need the workout crew anymore. Oh, yes, I do. Turn it around. Like this. What, you're not gonna follow me this much? Oh, I didn't mean to. Why am I following you? Oh, you know, darn. I get the car house, you get the glass house. You can have them two big houses right there. I'll get these two. Oh, someone's here. Two of them's here. I got fired. I got a UMP. Give me it back. It's my weapon. Give me a weapon. I'm dead. I need a weapon. I want a weapon. I need a weapon. I need a weapon, but I want a weapon. Alright, come in here. I got both of them. I'm coming, mommy. Weapons in there? I think there's weapons here. Yeah, there's no weapons here. Alright, two miniguns. Okay. Huh? He was like, huh? Hey, dude, do you have any stuff I can heal myself to? Oh, I got 2 energy drinks. You suck. I'm giving you energy drinks. I already had one. Why do you need something to heal? Because I was at the middle of the HP thing. I was halfway in the middle. How'd you get 2 heals, hacker? I'm getting me a juice. You can never have too many Capri Suns. Love Capri Suns. You got the place with the cookies? We can get the cookies, guys. Ready up! I ain't even in the game. There's no menu yet. I just kick you. You got lucky. No, you got lucky. Look, I have my feet all over these. How's it jump? Jump Ozzy, jump, Ozzy, jump, Ozzy, jump. Great, Ozzy, great. Look what you made us do. Look at what you made us.
I get the house on the left.
I get the house. I get everything in the house.
Unless my game's lagging. Wow, I just took damage because my game lagged. Brian Michael?
Dude, that's an epic glitch. Dude, I just got Uzi. But like,
You know what my house was full of?
what?
Pistols. I had 3 pistols. No ARs.
My house is filled with pistols. So far, at least.
Level 2 backpack.
Oh, I got a level 2 backpack.
If I can get this trigger finger locked in. Are you sure you want to actually try to frag me?
No, I ain't trying to flag you.
Come here.
I didn't get him.
Move out of the way. Hold on. Come here. Come here. Come here. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around now. Get whooped. Get whooped.
Well, you're gonna get whooped too, because you got one too.
Don't make me shoot you.
Do it. Back that corner now. Beat that butt.
Press behind you. Move, dude, so I can shoot him. Thanks for letting me out of the corner. You're so nice.
I'm gonna go kill these people.
What guns you got?
A pistol.
Is that it?
Yes.
Thought you said you found an Uzi.
I said I didn't. In BRB. I was like, why are you dumb? Nobody.
Not right now, Brian Michael. I'm drinking my energy drink.
Why?
I lost health when I spawned in. Game lagged and I took damage.
I remember now. Dude, after this, you have a sniper battle on Call of Duty World War II.
Sure. Alright, got 2 energy drinks if you need one.
I only got a...
Oh, it's only pistols. That's why we ain't finding no ARs, because we only got pistols.
Wait, this is pistols only?
Yeah.
Then I'm getting this Molotov. Also known as a cocktail.
Whoopsies. Let me shoot. No,
This is
no.
pistols only. Are you kidding me? I'm picking...
Nah. Last
we
match
just
we got
started.
demolished. Brian Michael?
Actually, it's kind of the other way around if you think. I can't pick up more than one weapon.
God, this guy has a strong weapon. Knocked him.
Oh, hello, mate. Hello, mate.
Oh, thank God he had a med kit. Hand bandages. Even though I got a leg. I have 5 med kits.
Yes. Doy.
Alright, cause yeah. 1.
Here's the real. Because we just started out by my primal.
9 people left.
You suck.
I know. Dude, he had a strong weapon, dude. Like
1911.
I know, but like as soon as I turned around that corner, he just turned around. Pow, 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 pow. Bless me, I about died, and I just turn around there, and then I line up a headshot, and I go, poof, poof, poof.
Hearing this story makes me want 1911, so I got 1911.
Here's story makes me want to poop.
Then go poop. Then go poop.
No, because if I'm I'm making a YouTube video. If I go in there and I poop, the YouTubers or the viewers will be like, "Oh my gosh, you can hear his poop hitting the toilet in the background. Oh my god, it's nasty."
Yes, he is actually.
Mm-hmm.
That's the whole reason why we're playing this.
Mm-hmm.
Spawn's like, oh, I done messed up. Get out of here!
Fire a hole!
Oh,
I see somebody, bro.
dude, let me get him.
No, it's a team.
Dude, let me get him.
And there's a guy sneaking up right behind him.
I got him! Let's go.
He only took one shot, dude.
Mm-hmm.
Hold on, there's another guy down there, dude.
Doesn't matter, dude.
Dude, that guy can have like 8 kills.
So?
He can destroy you.
Oh, hello, mate! Hello, mate!
Wow.
Good thing I crossed through there.
I told you somebody was down here.
I knew it, but you said he could have 8 kills and he could destroy me, but he didn't.
Bryson, you still suck butts.
How many kills you got?
1 because I was late down here. Oh, I just got shot at.
Behind us.
There's 5.
You ain't got no 5 kills. 3. There's only 3 dudes left. Found one of them right behind you, Bryson.
Oh, I see him. He's right there by that tree. Crossing the road. I'm rushing.
Got him. There's another dude.
I almost died. You hacking, bro? Are you hacking, brother? Yeah, I don't care about looting him now.
Dude, there's a grenade. I hear something.
I need a 1 because I am very, 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 very low.
I've got full HP in my inventory here.
Oh, dude, no! Help! If you don't kill him, I was like,
I got
him! Dude, I had to heal. Let's go! Clap!
Here in place 28, dude. They must get spunky, dude. Literally.
We had exact same amount of kills.
But I was MVP because I did more damage.
It's because that second guy I killed, I know him right there. He was like frozen to death.
I could probably snipe with a pistol.
That's what me and you did to that second guy I killed. Except for you shot him a lot, and then I got the last one. So you wanna go do it?
Alright guys, this is where I'm going to end the video. We're going to go play some Call of Duty World War II because we're better than all y'all because y'all suck. And we're going to have fun. So, bye brother.